get the exhaust cleaned. Well, they've already been cleaned outside, but there's a hell of a lot of more baked on stuff because of the heat of the back box and the heat of the tailpipes. Stuff gets generally more baked on, so I'm going to give it a soak in Cronos, which is a carbon deposit cleaner, and it works really well, as you can see. It's literally just coming off. Ugh. This won't get it out absolutely perfect, but what it does is it gets most of the caked on stuff off, so that when you come to polish it, you're not just scupping around the all the dirt and carbon. Probably not pretty much same as normal for exhaust. A little bit of 000 wire wool, bit of polish, and just rub like mad. I've got a little tip for polishing an exhaust. A lot of people, it's kind of common sense to put a bit of polish on a cloth and then go like that. You'll always find the cloth is literally a little bit too short if you fold it like that. But if you go corner to corner, that makes it that little bit longer, and you don't have to smash your knuckles every time your hand goes up or down. Simple things like that make a hell of a difference. You flip the cloth inside out, give it a rub, get the polish off. Done.